In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add one contact to OmniSend. We'll walk through this from inside your OmniSend account, so go ahead and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, you should land on your main dashboard. This is your starting point for everything in OmniSend. On the left-hand side, look for the menu. Hover your mouse over the section labeled Audience, and then click on Contacts. This will take you to your contact list, where you can see everyone who is already in your database. At the top of this page, find the option that says Add or Update Contacts and click on it. A few different import options will appear. Since we only want to add one person manually, choose the option that says Add a Single Contact. You'll now see a form where you can enter the contact's details. Start with the first field, which is for the email address. Type in the person's email carefully, because this is how OmniSend will send campaigns and automations to them. Make sure there are no typos, as a wrong email means they won't receive anything. Next, move to the phone number field. Enter the number, but before you finalize it, click on the country code drop-down next to the phone field. Scroll or search for the correct country, and then click on it so the right international code is applied. This is important if you plan to send SMS messages. Below that, you'll see an option for more details. Click on More Fields to expand the form. Here you can add extra profile information that helps with personalization and segmentation. Click into the first name field and type in their first name, then do the same with the last name field. This will allow you to use personalized subject lines and message content later. Continue by filling out the address fields. Click into the address line and enter their street address. Then add the city, followed by the state or region. After that, open the Select Country drop-down, choose the correct country, and then add the postal or zip code in the appropriate field. Accurate location details can be useful for segmentation and location-based campaigns. You can also capture more personal data if you have it. Use the birthday drop-downs to select the correct day, month, and year. Then open the gender drop-down and choose the appropriate option. These details can help with more targeted messaging and special birthday campaigns. If you use tags to organize your audience, click into the tags field and add any relevant tags, such as customer type, source, or interests. Tags make it easier to filter and create segments later. Before saving, look for the checkbox that confirms the person has given you permission to be added to your list. Make sure this is accurate, because consent is essential for compliance and good email deliverability. Once all the information is filled in and you've confirmed permission, click on the Add Subscriber button. OmniSend will save the new contact to your audience, and they'll be ready